Next up, increase and decrease stitches. These two stitches are the foundation of pattern shaping. Increase means you add stitches to make the pattern larger, and decrease stitches to make the pattern smaller. The easiest application of these two stitches is to form sleeves like this. Let's do this. Here is a very simple way to increase stitches. First, you knit 2 stitches, and then, as if the third stitch is the stitch you're gonna increase, you just simple wrap over the yarn. You wrap over the yarn over your right needle, and you keep knitting. And now, you've successfully added another stitch, which is the third stitch. When you reach to the other side, 2 stitches away, you want to add another stitch. It's the same thing. You wrap over the yarn and keep knitting, and you added another stitch, which is symmetrical. Now you've added 2 stitches for this row, 1 each side. Next, we turn over and purl as usual. When you hit the third stitch that we just added, you purl it as usual, as if it was a stitch. It's a little bit tricky, but you just do it the same way as you do other purl stitches. Once you hit the other stitches that we added, you purl as usual. Just purl. After knitting for 2 rows, the added stitches is not very noticeable from this pattern. So let me knit and purl another round, and I'll show you the pattern. Here you can clearly see that the added stitches, it has a V shape, it's expanded. Now I'm going to add another 2 stitches on this 4th row. So currently I'm adding stitches every 4 rows. I just want to show you what it looks like. So let's keep repeating. Now after I added 3 stitches on each side every 4 rows, now you can see the pattern clearly. It's enlarged on both sides. Usually this is used for sleeve patterns.